Truth is, most 9 to 5 jobs don't pay the bills, especially if you're just starting out in your career. A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9 to 5 job. It allows you to make more money that will give you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you need or want, and lower any financial worries. Here are the best side hustle ideas that actually work and will help you make more money while working from home. The first idea is start a wholesale business. If you like the idea of running an online business but will prefer to be a little more hands on, starting an online store using wholesale could be perfect for you. This business model means you buy products in bulk at a lower price and then sell at a higher retail price to your customers. Because you're hands on with the products and suppliers, you're able to keep a close eye on the quality of your products. Unlike drop shipping, which is also a great side hustle idea, you handle the packing and shipping, which means you don't have to deal with one of the downsides of drop shipping, the long shipping times. Instead, you can take advantage of getting those products into customer happy hands faster. You're able to sell products related to any niche you can think of, whether it's a passion for home decor or obsession with your pets. All you need to do is use a wholesale marketplace like Handshake, find the products you want to stock, and make your purchase. Although running a business using wholesale requires having some money upfront, most wholesale marketplaces offer net terms, which provides a nice buffer. Buying products using net terms means you can purchase products and start selling them weeks or months before you can need to pay for them. Wholesale tip: want to start your own wholesale business? Sign up for Handshake on Shopify. The Handshake app allows you access to the wholesale marketplace where you can choose from thousands of products that you can purchase and sell in your store. The second idea is to begin freelancing. Does a 9 to 5 job pay fluctuate? If you don't have a predictable income, you might need more money for some months and a little less others. If this sounds like you, you may choose to take up freelance gigs. These could be gigs that you create on Fiverr or the occasional freelance project on Upwork. You might create t-shirt mockups for a client one week and help someone build their social media following the next. The type of projects you work on could vary drastically, but if you love the variety and stitching things up, the side hustle could be perfect for you. How much money can you make with this side hustle job? You could make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 depending on the side gigs you take on and the platform you use. For example, if you're looking to hit, say, an extra $1,000, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your second income goal. The secret to succeeding as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you'll bring. Most freelance workers undercharge, which results in fast burnout with little payoff. Freelancing tip: the best freelance work opportunities are on We Work Remotely and remote.co. Thousands of side job seekers visit these websites daily to find and apply to openings. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to focus on building your portfolio and skill set on Fiverr, Craigslist, or Upwork first, as it's easier to land your first clients on those websites. The third side hustle idea is moonlight as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those side jobs that pay well over the long term. However, you'll need to go through a learning curve before you can start making money with affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right product to sell, but also finding the right brand to partner with. If you choose to be an affiliate marketer for e-commerce stores, your commission will likely be a lot lower than if you were just to dropship them yourself. However, there are tech companies that will pay a hefty price tag to affiliates who bring them new customers. How much money can this side hustle make? It depends on what product you're selling and what affiliate network you use. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer for a tech company like Shopify, you could potentially make an extra $58 for every merchant you refer. That means you could make over $500 with just 10 referrals. Affiliate marketing tip: ask the affiliate program or content creator for assets you can use to help you market their product. For example, there may be a lead magnet or free tool you can use to incentivize people to purchase the product. Oftentimes, a piece of content can help ease a potential customer from a cold lead into a warm one, giving you a better chance of succeeding with this side hustle. The next side hustle is to start blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own assets. You can even write about your passions. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to reach an audience who shares the exact same interests as you. Yoga, business, beauty, and cars are some popular niches for running a part time blog. You can make money blogging in a few ways: adding affiliate links to your posts or linking to the online store where you sell dropshipping products. How much money can you make trying a side hustle like this? In the beginning, you won't make much, but some bloggers who stick it out past the first few years have made enough money to quit their job and do it full time. Blogging tip: if you're passionate about blogging, create an online store that you can monetize and add a blog onto it. This allows you to start monetizing your asset before you've built your audience. Plus, the combination of content and commerce is a powerful one. As your blog grows, you can use retargeting ads to monetize your blog traffic to land even more sales. If you pump out regular quality content, you'll quite possibly have a few home run posts that bring you a ton of traffic that will be easier to monetize than if you were hoping for a few direct sales. Another side hustle idea is to sell information products. If you're looking for good side jobs to make money, selling information products might be the perfect option for you. The side hustle requires some research, invested time, and marketing skills for you to flourish. Are there topics that are really popular right now that you know a lot about? Do you find a popular topic that there isn't enough information about? Monetize these opportunities by creating content around it. You can publish books on Amazon or sell courses to start earning. How much money can you make selling information products? It depends on the niche, your marketing execution, and a variety of other factors. But a side hustle like this can result in a few $1,000s each month. The key is to create several different pieces of content. For example, ebooks or courses that keep generating recurring income for you. Selling information products tip. With this side hustle, focus on the niches where people have a huge problem they need to solve. If you're in the fitness niche, you can create a fitness workout course or a diet plan with a recipes ebook. If people are desperately trying to solve a burning problem, there's an opportunity to provide value by helping them solve that problem. The content you create can guide them towards a solution. Best part, you could make money while helping people. This is another great side hustle idea that is trending: earn passive income as an Instagram influencer. Growing up, most people dream about being famous, but the truth is, not everyone can sing or act. Fortunately, you can still build a personal brand around yourself based on what you can do. Maybe you can have a really cool fashion sense or can bake an awesome cake. On Instagram, anyone can start a side hustle by becoming an influencer. If you don't like the spotlight, that's cool. You can build an Instagram following around your dog or your photography. You can monetize your Instagram account in a couple of ways: sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, or selling a product on your website. Is being an influencer a good side hustle? Well, the average influencer charges between $200 to $400 a post. This can vary based on your audience size, so feel free to check out influencer rates. Instagram influencer tip: be consistent in the type of content you post, how often you post, and when you post. You'll gain new followers if people know what they can regularly expect from your page. You won't be able to monetize right away, so invest your time into growing your followers by posting several times a day, every day. Another trending side hustle idea is to become a virtual assistant. Top side hustles have one big thing in common: there's a high demand for them. A virtual assistant is an assistant who works in a remote location as opposed to a company's office. They can help with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more. There's been a growing demand for virtual assistants from businesses owners who need help in various projects. As a virtual assistant, you can specialize in countless areas. People hire virtual assistants for social media and customer service too. And there are countless other businesses around the world that rely on virtual assistants to grow and maintain their brands. How much money can you make as a virtual assistant? Most virtual assistants trade their time for money, so you might get capped based on the number of hours of work you can do each week. You can choose to set a total monthly earning or get paid by the hour. Some make $35 an hour depending on their skills and experience. Becoming a virtual assistant tip. When starting this side hustle job, you can find clients on popular websites like Upwork. However, you could start to see better results when you branch out on your own as an independent contractor. Setting up might be a bit harder as you need to find clients, but you could earn more money this way. You can join popular Facebook groups for businesses or online retailers to offer your services. The next idea is to polywork through selling your photography. If you've got a camera and some basic Photoshop skills, photography can become your side hustle. If you like taking pictures of your city, you can sell your photography to your local publications such as a city newspaper or blog. Sites like FAP allow you to sell your pictures on its platform and you can earn money with every photo you sell. If you'd rather not make money with your pictures, you can add your photography to products like canvases, t-shirts, and phone cases to make even more money. And if that's not enough, you can even seek clients to venture into wedding photography, pet photography, or product photography. How much money can you make as a photographer? If you sell your pictures online, you might make an extra couple $100,000 a month. If you venture into wedding photography, you could make a couple $1,000s or more per event. Good second jobs in the niche include working as a weekend photographer or running workshops in your spare time. Photography tip. If you plan on selling your photography on a stock photo site, it's a numbers game. The more pictures you take and upload, the better chance you are to be found. You'll need to make sure you use the right tags so that people can easily find your photos. The more pictures you take, the faster you'll develop your photography skills over time. So it's an all around win. We live in a world full of opportunities, and there's something that everyone can do to earn some extra money. You can watch this video next to learn more of side hustle ideas. Thank you for watching.